Hi, I'm Stephanie Davies and welcome to this week's Happiness Burst. Because it's Mental Health Week, this Happiness Burst is all about how to help you feel de-stressed and feel better in any given situation. And it's all about breathing, and it's a really simple technique. It's called triangular breathing. And all you need to do is get somewhere where you're relaxed and relax your whole body by crunching yourself up really tight and then letting it all go. And do that 3 times, each time letting yourself go even more. And then do what we call triangle breathing. And all you need to do is imagine a triangle in front of you. You can close your eyes for this, and you breathe in for 5. Then you hold for 7. Imagine that triangle in your head, and breathe out for 7. And then breathe in for 5, and keep doing that and really focus on that triangle in your mind's eye as well. And that should help you relax and calm everything down as well. Enjoy and let me know how you get on.